Hi there. Today we're going to be showing you a video of a piano. We've got some work to do on today. We're going to tune it, and it's got a few issues that I've discovered that I just wanted to point out to you so you could have an idea of some of the things that you may come across when you're tuning a piano. One of the first things that was most noticeable in this one was it's got in this upper, probably octave and a half of this piano, there's a lot of tight jack flanges. And I know we've talked about that in a lot of other videos, but I just wanted to kind of point out and kind of show you an example of this problem that you probably have come across or might have on your own piano. But if I point, if you notice that this one, I might play the key, and I might play once, but as I keep playing it, it stops playing, okay, and happens to quite a few of these others too. Okay, so I'll show you in here in the action. You can see how the back check just moves down slowly. This piece right here is the back check. Okay, and really the reason for that is because of the jack. Okay, this is the back check, and the jack is back here inside. Hard to see, but there's a behind this piece here. There's a little piece called a jack that moves forward, and you can see it better in one of our other videos. But let's see if we can get a close up of it. Okay, you might be able to see that piece that sticks up under there. And you can't see it because of the lighting, but it doesn't fall back underneath the hammer butt. Okay, and again, you'll see more of this, more details in this at the end of the video. We'll give you a link to a video that shows you how to fix it and how you can see the problem more clearly. But it's usually pretty evident, or at least in a lot of cases, if you see the back check falling back. See that one? The back check falls back right away. Okay, another one that one isn't as bad. It still falls back slowly, so if I keep hitting it, it's not returning as fast as it should to be able to get the jack under. See, that one's pretty slow too, so okay, so that's one problem with this piano. The other one is we've got, let's see, yeah, I think it was this A sharp there. Sometimes when I play it might get stuck, and I checked on this one. The reason for this is that it's got a broken hammer butt spring. Okay, so if you look in here, there's some springs, and you might be able to see some wires back in there. Okay, this one does not have that wire, okay, and you can't see it real close, but it's actually broken off right at the top of the spring. Okay, so that hammer butt spring needs to be replaced, because that one plays most of the time, but sometimes it can get stuck forward. Okay, so that's another one of our sticky key issues. This hammer right here, and you can see it's twisted a little bit. Okay, so the hammer doesn't actually move forward. Now that one might not be as evident. I just noticed it when I was getting ready to tune. That one you can just fix by heating the shank. Okay, and the shank is the rod down here. You can heat that with either a flame or a blowtorch or something. And then once you've got it heated up, then you twist the hammer in the opposite direction. Hold it there for a few seconds, and then put it back, and it should put it back to where it should be. Okay, so those are a couple issues that I found in the top section. Down here, and this might be pretty evident to you, as you can see right away, that one of our hammers is misaligned. Okay, so this one is not in place. Okay, and that causes a couple different issues. First of all, when you play the note next to it, the hammer doesn't fall back right away because it's rubbing up against the hammer next to it. So that causes the problem. The other problem that this causes is this note, this one that the hammer is misaligned, partially hits the string of the note that's next to it. And I can't hear it really clearly, but you do hear a little bit of a see, that's a normal one. You can hear just a little bit of that hammer hitting the string for the note next to it. So so that one, we'll probably have to paper the flange, or as I look at it closer, it might be a bent shank as well, so you can fix that by bending the shank or papering the flange on the bottom to tilt the hammer to the left. And we've got a video that we'll put a link to at the end as well on how to correct that problem, how to paper a flange. But so I just wanted to show you these few issues that I've come across in this specific piano that may help you as you're working on pianos, or some issues that you might have on your own piano. But if you have any questions, feel free to let us know. Our website is howardpianoindustries.com.